Union leaders are issuing a warning tonight, claiming the latest round of public service cuts will impact services upon which Canadians rely. The latest tonight, we've learned Shared Services Canada is notifying employees there of potential layoffs. And this comes one day after Statistics Canada announced plans to lay off 100 people this week, 850 total over the next 2 years. CTV's Austin Lee is following this for us. Austin, what are you hearing?
Well, Patricia, we still don't know exactly how many people at Shared Services will be impacted. Officials there say they won't share totals until they have finished the process of notifying employees. Meantime, people I spoke with today tell me that job cuts at StatsCan did not come as a surprise.
It's going to affect a lot of people with a lot of families, and I'm worried.
A somber mood at Statistics Canada headquarters Tuesday afternoon, one day after workers learned 850 jobs will be cut over the next 2 years.
We got a message from the chief statistician yesterday, kind of breaking down who's going to be affected in a vague way, but we're just waiting for emails and notifications.
Of those 850 job cuts coming, StatsCan says 100 cuts are coming immediately.
I feel it's a dark day for the public service. I think it's also a dark day for Canadians and the data that they rely on from Statistics Canada.
The government agency grew by nearly 2,000 employees between 2019 and 2025, due in part to hundreds of employees from another agency merging with StatsCan in 2023. The fear now is that service will decline.
When they have less people to be able to examine that data, to secure that data, it frightens me that, how reliable is that data going to be?
For its part, StatsCan says it's focused on continuing to deliver data that Canadians rely on.
The chief statistician was very clear in his remarks yesterday that our core mission-critical programs, for example, our key economic indicators, will remain as they are. That is a priority for the agency.
But union leaders say the agency is relied upon for more than just key economic indicators.
They might be concentrating on core data, but there's so many things that Statistics Canada does that Canadians don't see. That's very key to our future.
In the meantime, workers are on standby, wondering if they'll have a job in 2 years.
Waiting for those emails and waiting for those messages from our management to let us know which direction they're going.
Another point of frustration for union leaders is what they call a lack of communication from the government. The Public Service Alliance of Canada telling CTV News in a statement, the government still hasn't explained what this workforce adjustment will mean for programs or services, leaving workers in the dark. Patricia.
CTV's Austin Lee reporting live for us tonight. Thank you.